Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're in India and eager to get started with cryptocurrency trading on Bitmart in 2025, you're in the right spot. Bitmart is a popular platform for buying, selling, and managing digital assets, but downloading it might have a few region-specific steps. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step in this quick tutorial. Let's dive in. First off, before we begin, a quick heads up. Crypto regulations in India can change, so always check the latest guidelines from the government or Bitmart's official site to ensure everything's compliant. As of 2025, you might need to verify your identity, so have your Aadhaar card or other IDs ready. Step 1. Grab your smartphone or tablet. Make sure it's running the latest version of Android or iOS for a smooth experience. Open the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on iPhone. Step 2. In the search bar at the top, type Bitmart and hit search. Look for the official app. It's usually the one with the highest ratings and a verified developer badge to avoid fakes. Step 3. Once you find it, tap on the Install or Get button. The app should download quickly, depending on your internet speed. If it's not available in your region, you might need to use a VPN to access it from the store, but be cautious and only use reputable services. Step 4. After installation, open the app. You'll be prompted to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your profile. Step 5. For users in India, you'll likely need to complete KYC verification. This involves entering your personal details and uploading documents like your PAN card or Aadhaar. This step is crucial for security and to comply with local laws. Once that's done, you're all set. You can start exploring Bitmart's features, like trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptos. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe and happy trading. See you in the next video.